Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we present Part 2 of Louisiana Highway 46. We're now in the New Orleans suburb of Chalmette in St. Bernard Parish. Chalmette is a census-designated place and the seat of St. Bernard Parish. Behind the trees on the right is the Chalmette battlefield, where the Battle of New Orleans was fought at the end of the War of 1812. The battle was fought on Chalmette Plantation, for which the community is named. On the right ahead is the iconic Kaiser aluminum smokestack, which looms over the Chalmette riverfront. The tower measures 500 feet in height and 80 feet in diameter and is said to be the tallest in the world. The tower was shut down in the late 1960s due to environmental concerns, and Kaiser shuttered the entire plant in 1983. The word Kaiser was once painted vertically on the tower in giant letters illuminated by neon lights. The lettering has now been replaced with St. Bernard Port. The site is now used as an industrial park and for container storage. Then on the right is the Chalmette Refinery, which has origins dating back to 1915. Initially designed to manufacture kerosene for lighting purposes, the refinery eventually evolved to produce gasoline. Ownership of the refinery changed over time and is operated under several names, including Chalmette Oil and Refining Company, Bay Petroleum, Tennessee Gas, Tenneco, Mobil, ExxonMobil, and as of 2015, PBF Energy. Down Parish Road to the right is the Chalmette Ferry Terminal. The ferry carries vehicles across the Mississippi River to Lower Algiers for a nominal fee. We pass through the Valero Oil Refinery, formerly Murphy Oil, and enter the community of Meraux. Meraux is the location of the Pecan Grove Plantation House on the National Register of Historic Places. Pecan Grove is a rare and important example of French Creole vernacular architecture. The home was built around 1800. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. We passed through the St. Bernard Tunnel of Trees at Dockville Farm. This was originally an indigo plantation, but later became a pecan farm. A grove of pecans stands on the left side of the highway, and the turn-of-the-century farmhouse is to the right. Dockville is a center for culture and learning and is a project of the Meraux Foundation, a nonprofit dedicated to benefiting the St. Bernard community. We conclude today's video as we enter the community of Poydras. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.